You might be using AI completely wrong for architecture and design if you haven't used this technique yet. As architects and designers, we don't just create images, but we make decisions. Every material, every shadow, and every spatial element is a deliberate choice. But unfortunately, most AI tools today don't work that way. We type in a prompt and we generate an output, but the decisions behind it does not belong to us. It belongs to the AI. And that's the exact problem that JSON prompt solves. We've been using this technique recently and it's completely changed the way we approach AI. Change lighting without touching the materiality, swap the furnitures without losing the spatial composition, and a lot more. So in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to write JSON prompts for Nano Banana and Gemini, and also how to apply them in real-life architectural workflows. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. Think of JSON prompt as a design brief in a code language. Instead of describing what we want in one single sentence, we assign a value to each parameter like material, lighting, style, and camera angle. And that's it. It's a structured way of giving instructions to the AI platform. For example, instead of writing a model living room with warm lighting and marble floors in JSON prompt, you would write it like this. So let's apply this in different use cases and see how it works.
Here's a simple interior image, modern contemporary living room. What I want to do is take this into Google AI Studio, and instead of asking it to generate something, I'm going to ask it to describe the image as a JSON prompt. Think of it like asking the AI to read the image and write out its DNA. So we upload it, ask the platform to describe the elements in this scene with a JSON prompt, and focus on the objects and colors. Make sure the output format is set to images and text. Hit run. Now it starts generating this code-like output. And yeah, I know, it looks intimidating at first. But just read through it slowly and it actually makes total sense. It says things like 3-seater sofa with a full description, then the pillows, then the wicker rug with its color, and so on. Every single element in the image broken down one by one. If you want to change anything in this image, all you have to do is edit that description. Change the text and you change the image. That's literally it. So let's try it. I copy the JSON, paste it into the chat, drag in the original image, and now let's say I want to change the sofa color to orange. I find the part where it says light beige linen texture sofa and I just rewrite it. Orange linen texture sofa. And where it says the color is light beige, I change that to orange too. But here's the small thing I want to flag. There are like 100 different shades of orange. If I just type orange, the AI picks whatever it feels like. So instead, I Google shades of orange hex codes, find exactly the tone I want. Let's go with EC9006 and I put that exact hex code right into the prompt. Set the resolution to 2K, hit run, and the rest of the room is completely untouched. Only the sofa changes, and it's exactly that shade of orange. That level of precision is something you simply cannot get by typing change the sofa to orange in plain language. And the best part? This JSON prompt is reusable. So I copy it again, drag in the output image this time, and now let's push it further. I want to swap the coffee table for a marble top with white and black veining and black metal legs. Type that in, run it, and again, only the table updates. Even the stuff sitting on the table stays exactly where it is. You can keep going as many times as you want. Change the lamp style, swap out the carpet pattern. Each edit is surgical. One thing at a time, everything else frozen in place. This is the kind of control that natural language prompting just can't give you. Let's try rendering this floor plan with JSON prompts. Upload the plan into Google AI Studio and ask it to write a JSON prompt that renders it in a realistic style with a focus on textures and materials. Hit run. What comes back is actually really interesting. It reads the drawing, identifies each element, and automatically assigns textures and styles to everything. The floors, the walls, the pathways, the furniture. Each one gets its own parameters. It's doing the material thinking for you. Now copy that prompt, paste it into the chat, type something like render this drawing based on this JSON prompt, make sure the image is uploaded, and run it. The output is noticeably better than if you just typed render this floor plan realistically. There's actual texture detail, the materials feel considered, and it has a stylistic quality to it that you usually have to work a lot harder to get. But here's where it gets really useful. You still have full control over every element. Let's say the main flooring is showing up as grey tiles and you want to swap it out for a beige marble. Find the parameter in the JSON that says main flooring. Change the type from tiled lines to beige marble with brown veins. And while you're in there, why not make a few more changes at the same time? Change the accent quads to black. Switch the sofa to a green fabric. All in one go, one rerun. And the output just updates cleanly. Only the things you describe change. Everything else holds its position, its proportion, its layout. For architects and designers who are still working at the floor plan stage, this is a genuinely fast way to start visualizing material options without jumping into a full 3D workflow.
If you plan on using JSON prompts on floor plan rendering specifically, we have built a complete masterclass around it. The floor plan rendering masterclass is a structured workflow of 50 plus prompts, including JSON prompts. This masterclass teaches you to take a simple CAD drawing and turn it into multiple styles, whichever fits your project. This can be highly useful for portfolios, client presentations, and for social media content. And honestly, it's not just a prompt book that you copy-paste from, it's a set of workflow that helps you understand why certain prompts work and how to create ones on your own. It comes with lifetime updates, and over 100 architects have already used this masterclass to significantly save time in rendering their drawings. So if you're still spending hours to manually render your drawing in Photoshop, this might be worth checking out. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this masterclass.
Alright, same technique, but this time let's apply it to an exterior rendering of a villa. So we upload the image, and this time we ask the platform to analyze the lighting, the weather, the atmosphere, and write a JSON prompt around that. Hit run, and there's our output. When it comes to describing environments and lighting conditions in technical terms, most of us aren't going to know exactly how to phrase that in a JSON prompt. That's where a lot of people get stuck. So here's the move. We let the AI do that part too. Copy the JSON prompt, open a fresh chat, and this time just tell it in plain English what you want. I want this to become a nighttime view where all the buildings are lit up. Paste the original prompt in and ask the platform to rewrite it for that scenario. It'll modify the prompt automatically, no manual editing required. Now copy that updated prompt, head back to the previous chat, paste it in, upload the same image again, set it to 2K and run it. And look at that, the villa, the architecture, the geometry, every design element stays exactly the same, but the entire environment has shifted. It's nighttime now. The buildings are glowing, there's illumination across the scene, even the surrounding context has updated, and there's a proper night sky overhead. You can keep doing this for any kind of atmosphere you want. Want an overcast day with drizzle and water puddles on the ground? Just describe it in plain English. Let the AI rewrite the JSON for you, paste it back, run it, and again, your design stays logged in while the world around it completely transforms. This is huge for architects and designers who are presenting multiple scenarios of the same project. Same model, same proportions, completely different mood in minutes. You know that camera angle, that super dramatic overhead view where the shot is taken from right above the ceiling fan? Turns out, you can actually recreate that exact same angle in your render. We grab a reference image, add it into Google AI Studio, and ask it to analyze the viewing angle of the space and give us a JSON prompt for it. That's it. Once we have that prompt, we take our own design image and use that JSON to basically reshoot the scene from the same camera position. And look at what happens. Same room, same elements, but now we are looking at it from high up near the ceiling. What really blew my mind? Even the text sitting on the table is perfectly readable. Everything is retained. That's not a small thing. That's a huge deal for anyone working in architecture or interior design. Let's say you have a bedroom render and you want to swap out the bed, but you want the new bed to fit into the scene perfectly. Same proportions, same perspective, same angle. Here's how you do it. You take your interior image, run it through AI Studio, and get a JSON breakdown of everything. Positions, proportions, all of it. Then you take your reference image of the new bed, do the same thing on a new chat. Now you've got two separate JSON prompts. Here's the fun part. You take both of those prompts, ask the platform on a new chat to blend them into a third combined prompt. This is the final prompt to make the swap. Let's go back to the first chat where we've used the interior image. Ask the platform to change the bed in image 1 with image 2 based on the JSON prompt. Upload both images for extra accuracy and hit run. Only the bed changes. Everything else, the room, the lighting, the layout, stays exactly the same. Even the angle and perspective of the new bed matches the original shot perfectly. The textures and details update, but the composition locked in. This workflow is genuinely powerful. This is the kind of control that saves you serious time, effort, and money.
And that is the major shift that JSON prompts bring. You stop guessing and start designing with AI. Make sure to check out the floor plan rendering masterclass with Nano Banana from the link in the description. If you found this content to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this with your friends. Let me know in the comments what other workflows you would like to see in future. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.